here we are back at the Texas A&M University Commerce website, and we will get back into AEIS. So I hope you had it bookmarked. I bookmarked it. Here's what AEIS looks like. Let's go back and find the data. We would click there, and then we're going to download data files and download of selected data files and district aggregates for the whole state. Now remember, this is 1,273 district records. Now, what are we looking for? And if I remember, we're looking for completion rates in this one. So let's start just digging around. Let's see what we have. There's ethnicities, all sorts of things. So it's not in that one. So let's back up. Let's go down and look at some more. Staff information, financial information. Sounds like a whole lot of things might be of interest to you. Aha! Completion rates. Let's continue that. Now, let's see. What do we want to look at? The 4-year dropout rate for 0809? Would we want to look at the 5-year graduation rate? Let's do 5-year graduation rate and 5-year dropout rate. And let's download that and see what we get. Now, if you'll notice, it's downloading over here. And it just put it right there, district completion. Oh, and we have an awesome spreadsheet. Now, if you're doing this on an IBM rather than a Mac, you didn't come up with something that looked as nice as this. What you came up with were data that were all clustered together. Now, it's all right that you have that versus what I have, because you still have to do some of the same things. What you want to do, this is a CVS file, so you're going to want to save this file. And let's save it as, I'm going to call mine completion rates, and I'm going to save mine on the desktop where I can work on it. Now I'm through with that CVS file. Let's don't save it again. Let's close it. Let me get some of these things off the screen, and we'll go to work. Now we want to open that file called completion rates. The reason we want to open it again is so that we can turn it into an Excel file. Now when this comes up on the IBM, it doesn't look like this. This is a Mac version. Macs are just smarter than IBM. You heard that. You need a Mac. You need Apple. Go Apple, go. I love Apple. Now, once you've got this on the IBM and you have that file, you're going to come to 2 screens. The first screen is just describing it, so you want to go to the second screen, and you want to deselect tab, and you want to select comma. And then when you hit it, it will come up and it will look like this. Whole lot of things across the top that really don't mean anything yet. We don't know what they mean. These codes, that's why you need that definition file that you had. So what we're going to do is we're going to save this as completion rates. We don't want a CVS file. We want an Excel file. So let's save it as an Excel file. Now let's go here and see what we have. I have completion rates, and it is an Excel file. And I can begin to work on it and do all of the things on it that I need to do.